think creating YouTube Shorts takes hours of scripting, editing, and finding music? I'm here to prove you wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact system for creating high-quality YouTube Shorts in just 15 minutes, using only 3 platforms. No fancy software, no expensive tools, just a simple, repeatable process anyone can follow. And the best part, you can start today, even if you're a total beginner. When it comes to Shorts, consistency beats perfection every single time. The YouTube algorithm rewards creators who post often. But let's be real, if every single short takes you an hour or more to create, you're going to burn out and quit. That's why my entire focus is on speed. Create fast, post consistently, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting for you. Now let me break down the 3 simple tools I use to make this happen. But before we dive in, let me quickly tell you about an incredible, all-in-one website for entrepreneurs. It has all the tools you'll ever need, and they're completely free. We're talking free traffic, a free autoresponder, a free page builder, and even a free link tracker. Plus, it offers 5 different ways to earn money, all for free. I've dropped the link down in the description for you to check out. Okay, tool number 1 is ChatGPT. This is where the magic begins. Instead of staring at a blank page, wondering what to say, I use ChatGPT to generate irresistible hooks, write short and punchy scripts, and simplify complex ideas into quick 15 to 30-second videos. I just give it a simple prompt like, what's a strong hook for a YouTube short about this topic? Or write me a 15-second script that will keep viewers watching until the very end. In less than 2 minutes, I have a script that's ready to go. No writer's block, no overthinking. This step alone is a massive time saver. Next up, tool number 2 is CapCut. This is my go-to video editor for shorts because it's fast, incredibly simple, and absolutely perfect for beginners and vertical videos. Inside CapCut, I can quickly drop in some stock clips or my own footage, add dynamic text captions, use quick transitions to keep things interesting, and adjust the timing to perfectly match my script. CapCut makes it super easy to add animated text and highlight keywords, which keeps the video visually engaging and holds the viewer's attention. Seriously, most of my editing in CapCut takes about 5 to 8 minutes max. If you can drag and drop, you can use CapCut. The third and final tool is the YouTube audio library. This is my secret weapon for finding safe, copyright-free music. Using music from here means no copyright strikes, no demonetization issues, and 0 stress. I usually look for short background beats or simple, low-volume tracks that won't overpower my voice. It takes me just a minute or 2 to pick the perfect track and drop it right into my CapCut project. It's simple, clean, and professional. So, let's recap the full 15-minute workflow. We spend about 2 minutes in ChatGPT getting the script. Then we jump into CapCut for 8 to 10 minutes of fast and easy editing. Finally, we spend 2 minutes in the YouTube audio library finding the perfect music. That's it, from a simple idea to a finished, ready-to-post short in just 15 minutes. Now, all these tools are amazing, but before we wrap up, I want to share one more game-changing resource. It's called the One Sign Up a Day strategy. There's no opt-in required and no gimmicks. You just download the PDF file and learn the exact tricks to grow your business. I've put the link for that in the description below as well. My final piece of advice is this. If you're struggling to stay consistent with YouTube Shorts, stop chasing perfection and start focusing on systems. This simple 3-tool setup makes content creation fast, easy, and repeatable. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you'd like a full, in-depth tutorial on each of these steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.